86 here at the river, and look at what freighter has paid me a visit. The Arthur M. Anderson. This is the second time seeing the Anderson. And we're going to follow her as she goes down the water. We're going to follow the Arthur M. Anderson as she goes down the water. Following the Arthur M. Anderson as she goes down the water. Following the Arthur M. Anderson as she goes down the water. You can see that on the stern. It says Arthur M. Anderson. Little piece of history, the Arthur Anderson was 15 miles behind the freighter Edmund Fitzgerald when she sank in 1975. And this freighter was built in 1952 and is 68 years old. So there's a little history on the Arthur M. Anderson. Thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye and enjoy the video. Oh, there's another freighter. Maybe the Anderson will honk its horn. Thank you much, and goodbye. I believe the gray freighter's the Calumet. So we'll get this one on video too.